Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device and account are ready. Plug in and connect Google Home to Wi-Fi, then open the Google Home app on your phone, grant contacts and phone permissions so Home can place calls. Once done, confirm your primary phone number is verified and that the person you want to call is listed in Contacts or on Google Duo. This step prevents permission and routing errors and gets you straight into the calling flow. Now you initiate the call with a clear voice command. Say, "Hey Google," call followed by the contact name or full phone number. Use Google Duo if you need video by saying "video call." Make sure to speak the contact exactly as it appears in your contacts. Once connected, control the call hands-free. "Hey Google," mute or turn the volume down, and use "hang up" when finished. This keeps you in the conversation, while Google Home handles dialing and audio routing. Finish by confirming the call actually ended. Google Home will announce it, and you can verify in the Home app call history. If audio is quiet or choppy, move within range of the device and reduce background noise. Make sure Bluetooth isn't diverting audio. If calls fail or won't connect, update the Google Home firmware and the Home app, then reboot the speaker by unplugging for 10 seconds. This reboot often resolves lingering network or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.